Good morning, everybody. I finally got my package in today that I've been waiting for. I'm a coffee drinker. This is the Keurig Cafe. It's a great little machine. It does everything a big machine does, except for it's a better price, and it's a lot smaller, and it's easy to use. It's got all the directions on top. It's got a water reservoir and a froster. This is my favorite one of all. It also has two sizes. You can take, for your regular coffee, you can take this off and you can put your taller glass up. It fixes iced coffee. It's a great little machine. It comes in, I'd say 2 different colors. One's silver, one's black. I like the black one because I do like black. But anyway, it's pretty reasonable. It's not expensive. And it works fabulous. I've used it a couple times already. And it's a great little machine. I also did get a twirly thing for my syrups and coffee, just to keep them in all one place. So I'm enjoying it. You should get one. I think they're at Target, but I got mine on Amazon. It's a great little machine. And thank you for watching. Big hugs.
Okay, so this Keurig is only a week old. I've only got about half a dozen uses. Power's off right now, as you can see. Now watch what happens when I turn this on. This is what I found out this morning. I turn it on, and it starts pouring water automatically, and it'll drain my whole tank. Now right there is more than the 12-ounce portion, and we're coming up to about 18 ounces now. Probably about 20 ounces at the brim at least. I'm not going to let it overflow, obviously, but this keeps happening. And there's nothing I can do to resolve this. I gotta turn it off. Come on, turn it off.
Here's the original that lasted for a very long time, and when it died, I went to the next model here. It looked sleek, it looked great, sucked. Frother didn't work, water basin tank thing in the back kept saying error message, need to add more water when it was clearly full. So Keurig said, no problem, we'll send you a next one. So they sent me a new model, and that frother worked, but the water tank kept saying, please add water or air message. So their solution, send me another one of these. So I now have another one of those, and it still didn't work. So as I was waiting to hear back from Keurig, having guests in town, we purchased a different model just from your local box store. The pot worked, but there is no frother, and the coffee coming out the pot sucks. Horrible taste, doesn't have a timer, not worth its weight. So we are officially done with Keurig. Please note, if you're buying Keurig, do not buy it from Amazon, even directly from the store. They do not honor any of the returns. Just go to Keurig, buy direct, or better yet, skip the Keurig altogether.
When it is turned on, that frother makes a noise like it wants to turn on. There's no power to anything after that.
Come make a coffee with me in 10 seconds. So many ways to customize. Open the lid, pop a new K-cup in. The digital display is so cool. It even tells you what coffee you're brewing. Let's go, let the magic happen.